All right, traders, I am back for one day. I've been in vacation, enjoying my vacation for the past week. Last week, I didn't trade at all. I tried to trade, but I was in a remote island in Italy, and the internet was not great. But I am now in Sicily. I have better connection. I tried to take, well, I did take a test trade, and it worked very good, very fast. So I figured I got about an hour. Got about an hour to trade and why not? So we're looking at JZXN and ODYS. Both have news. Pre-market, this looked pretty nice. Came down pretty quickly though. We have a red gap here. We have a green gap and a green gap even lower. So maybe take a dip somewhere in here. What's the low of this? 853, higher priced. I put my ask and sell, buy the ask, sell the ask, buy the bid, sell the bid buttons here, pre-market buttons, because hey, right now it's 9:30 back home, but it's 3:30 over here. And I figure maybe sometime this week I'll try to trade pre-market, but I'm just doing activities, I'm just having fun, and I don't want to stress too much about trading. But I got an hour, trade the market open, see what we got. 30 seconds. I think the market's been cold. It's been pretty good Friday, I believe. Haven't been checking too much. Just checking basically just the SPY, price of gold, the price of oil. So gold opening flat. Nice. Good, good, good. All right, market open. Let's do it. So DYS. Let's see how well this looks. Yeah, so it's pretty slow. The level 2, the quotes on the level 2 are pretty slow. They're lagging a lot. So maybe I can get a dip here. 53, 853. Below 9. Okay. Then we got JCXN. JCXN. JCXN moving quick. Yeah, these things are moving quick. It's in a red gap. I don't really like it. VWAP is 34. You could take this 34. Bought that right there, 38. You gotta hold 34 for me. Selling half. Okay, good, 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 good. Selling everything. Nope. Went to 43. Didn't quite give me the look that I wanted, which is look hold to hold 40s. No. All right, this one hold it in a red gap. This one touched this gap, so kept it pretty tight. Once it broke 40, I'm thinking Algo's got to pick it up at 40, but nah, doesn't work. So red gap here, forming a green gap. We'll see how well it wants to hold. The level 2 seems pretty slow, pretty sluggish when the when the stock was moving very fast and level 2 felt pretty sluggish. Also a red gap, so no. No thanks. Back to 40. JZXN. I mean, I don't know. I got a target right there, 67, which should hit pre-market. There's another target, 79, 280s. 280. Maybe $2 first. Maybe $2. Yeah. 211 area, maybe. 208. Could be a good target, but we'll see. Okay, so this one, got a few minutes. We'll wait. Okay, we're moving here. 42. You should be able to hold 40. We want you to hold 40. All right, let's do it. You gotta hold 40 here. Out. No, keeping it tight. No, no, no. Got out what, 39? In at 42 at 39. No. Opening at 11. 1080 hold, opening 11. Just a bit higher. VWAP is 10, so maybe a dip below 11. I need to see a dip. 1013 is VWAP, so we shall see how well that dip is going to be. 1 minute. Okay, 10 seconds. Opening at 11. Let's see. Ah, there you go, 40s. Man, you got me filled 70s. No, not a good one. Dang it. That lag. It's not quick. I got filled 70. I saw 40 on the I saw 40s when I pressed it. Oh well. Red day. How many trades? 1, 2, 3 trades. Nope. I got the lag. I have the latency, I guess. A little trade maybe here of 38. Doesn't want to die just yet. Needs to hold 38 for another attempt to see if maybe might squeeze here. No. Looking at this, see if there could be a curl. Okay, this one opened. The low of this gap is going to be 853. It did go 862. I don't know if it was worth buying that, but it looked like it worked better. It looks like we have TRAW trending higher. Hey, what do we do here? Position myself on a pullback. Mhm. Below, below uh, 3, holding 307. Waiting for this dip. Too high up here. Waiting for this dip to come into this area. Don't want to buy it up here. Could be deadly up here. Don't want to buy it. Looking for a dip. 88 is that stop. So looking for a dip. So PRSO could be a good one. Okay, here we go. Dip. Looking for this area. Nice dip into this area. Pick up some volume here. View up is also here. So let's see. 5 minute on this looks pretty extended. Here we go. Below 3. There. 303 entry. The best. Not the best. But somehow reducing size here. 400 should already go. 200 in here. I'm gonna add a little lower on this dip. 88 is a stop. Low of the previous was 96. There it is, 94, 93. Adding right there in a 96. Average 96. Stop is 88. Hitting my stop. Hitting my stop, but bouncing. Looks like I might get stopped out. Dips are not working. Dips are not working. The best. Bounced 88. No, I think I'm holding this too long. Might be holding this a little too long. I'm seeing some green. There was another gap. View up is right there. Nope. I gotta get out. I tried it, but the dip just don't really give me a good bounce. So down 170. I could try it at a little bit lower. 74 area. Stop 74. Here we go. 78. In at 79. Just a little bit. 600 shares. Ooh, that's rough. This is a rough stock. Dang, down 200 bucks. All right. We tried. We tried 2 dips. Man, market is tough. Tough. Didn't want to be this red, but man, this sucks. All right. Here we go. A couple more trades. See if we can salvage this day. Coming back, not making the right adjustments. I'm gonna go very slow. 43 there. Dip. I'm looking for a dip 43 area. 43, 33. How well that's gonna bounce? It's a good question. JZXN. Did go there, 43, 42, 41, 42, 41, 39, 38, 37. There you go. 39. I'll get in 39. Wow. At 39. Not doing it. I get out here. Okay, good. 41, 42, 43. Give a good bounce. Thinking half 43 or 200. 200? How much did I buy? Oh no, probably not a, didn't get filled all the way. So thinking, all right, 47. Okay, good. What to say, man? Oh, yeah. It's like very choppy. So this might not work, but so 300 here. The bounces are not as smooth as I would like. So 47 there. Oh, right there. Okay, cool. Let's wait for the next trade. Okay, decides to go here. All right. Gotta get used to that price action, I guess. I'm expecting something that it's not going to give me. So, good move right there, back to 50s. Picking up some speed here. So let's see if I can get a dip. 48. Double top. Let's size down here on this dip. How well you're gonna go. 10 a.m. Back to 53, 52. Oof, 47. Says it went there to 42, but I didn't see it. Didn't see that. Hmm. JZXN. Choppy, choppy, but can we make a move? Trying one more time here. 51. 51. 20 seconds. Needs to hold 50. Be a good place for a breakout, but no. 51, 50. No. Holding though. How long you're gonna hold for? It keeps holding. Buyers could step in. Buyers can win here. 50 now. Yeah, no. Doesn't look like a good pattern to me. Oh well. 37. How much will you dip here? Man, the market's been like this every day. I came in like kind of excited to trade and not seeing not seeing anything good. How much of a dip? VWAP is 37. How much of a dip? That's 44, 43, 42, 43. I do like a dip under 40. Perhaps it could give something a nice bounce at VWAP. 5 minute looks like we could trend higher, but this could be a lower high, this peak. Well, we also have this one here. Uh, no, I do like a dip here. I could try it right under 40. Didn't fail here. Could fail here though. So all those seem to have picked it up right there. We'll see. Okay, good move there. Back to 50. Could give a surprise move here. Surprise move over 50, right? Didn't fail, so it might give a surprise move here. So watching. Watching here. I'll try small size. Let's see if I can build on it. I'll try 200 here. Need to build on this. Mm, there we go. There we go. Needs to go now. If it's going to give a surprise move, I would like it to go here. Out. No, it doesn't seem like it's doing it. It is holding again, though. Okay. Mm, no, doesn't seem like it's doing it. It's the only thing we have. TRAW, man, I lost too much on that. That dip was, man, looking at the chart now. That dip was brutal. Holy, negative 138. Gave no bounds. I really forced, I think I might have held a little too long, giving it too much confidence. But, all right. Okay. It's moving in very erratic ways, but once this thing starts opening up and shorts start to get a little squeeze, you may begin to see something good here. So we need to act quickly to make sure we get the move. So, would you dip? Fine, I get in 57 there. Nice, 58. So 54 is the stop. 400 shares. Committing to this move here. Nice. 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 Good, 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 good. Maybe got out too quickly there and needed to add. We're moving to 80s. So, so what now? What now, JZXN? What now? I do like a dip. 60 is that low. 60. Is there going to be another little candle? Not a little bit of big candle after this, or are we dying out? Double top there. Are we dying out here? 64, 65, 65. 65, 66. Tight spot. 67 again. 67, 66. Here we go. Dip, 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 dip. Please dip. 60s. Anything closer to 60. Under 65, 63. Let's go. 64 and a half. Taking half right there because I don't trust it. I'm in at 64, 68. Taking everything out right there. Uh, don't really trust it. Good dip though into the gap. Down $100. Where did I get out? 69. Went as high as 70. So waiting for the moment price action gets into the gap, but I don't trust it at the highs. For last time it came up here, immediately rejected. Um, I used to give these peaks and reject, peak, reject. So maybe perhaps another peak here, we're gonna reject. So even that dip was risky. I did have this trade here, 30, 39, I think. In hindsight, looks better. It looked like it was a good trade. Down 100. That's a bummer. Okay, if you're gonna hover here, if 60 decides to be the place where algos want to hold it up, we may see this thing just push, man. So here, 60. Broke 60. No. Yeah. 54. 54 was previous resistance, so maybe there's a trade here, 54. Keep coming down. 47. These are your small gaps here. 43. How's the 5 minute look? 5 minute looks like a rejection. Million. Okay. It's crazy here. Let's see. What do we got? Will it hold 62? I hope it holds 62. We get a nice move higher to over 70. Wow, nice. So good move there. Was waiting for a nice little dip, but 65 was good enough, I think. 70. Will it get to $2 here? Wow. All right, now it's getting a little explosive here. And I want to get in here. If you can give a dip, brother. Can you give a dip? If you can give a dip, I would happily take it. Dip under 80. Dip under 80. Dip under 80. There's a dip under 80 there. Fine, I'll take that. It's holding. No, out. 75. Come on. So what's it gonna be here? Oosh, hold on. Hold up, hold up. C 70. 74. This looks great. 81 fill. Ooh, it's a little bit high. It's a little bit high. Ah, like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. There you go. No, too high. Oh, wow. Oh, man, this stock sucks. Wow, nice bounce. All right, finish down 155. Nothing much to trade, pretty slow.